This video shows how to use Talk&Type in Read&Write for Google Chrome. Talk&Type lets you type into documents or websites by dictating into a microphone. To use, just click the Talk&Type icon and begin speaking. I agree with the author, period. You can use it on websites, Google Docs. Gatorade is the most popular drink for athletes, period. Word docs. The Wright brothers were pioneers of aviation, period. Google Slides. Great white sharks have approximately 500 teeth. And more. You can also use Talk&Type in Writing View by clicking the Talk&Type icon inside the prediction window. My favorite class is physics. To learn more about Read&Write, visit the Academy.